You ask me what I like about Texas, I tell you it's a wide open spaces. It's everything between the Sabine and the Rio Grande. It's a Llano Estacado, it's the Brazos and the Colorado. It's the spirit of the people who share this land. And it's another burrito, it's a cold Lone Star in my hand. It's a quarter for the jukebox boys, play the sons of the mother-loving clubhouse band. Well, you ask me what I like about Texas, it's the big timber around Nacogdoches, driving El Camino Real down to San Antone. It's the river.
This year I restored a 1968 Minneapolis Moline G1000 Vista diesel. It's the fourth tractor that I've restored, and it's the third time that I've entered for Delo. I'm really excited about this year. It was a fun year. I had a lot of challenges, and it's been a lot like 2020, one thing after the other. So I'd say the top obstacle would probably be the motor, just because of getting parts for it and then all the issues we had with the engine work that we had done at the engine shop. The second problem would probably be going through and painting the tractor itself. The yellow paint that we got doesn't cover like paint should really. Like when I painted the John Deere, it had yellow on it, but it covered well. This Minneapolis Moline yellow was mixed off of an old paint code that we found in the archives, and we had it mixed at our local Napa, and it's a very thin paint, so it wasn't like painting a tractor that had thicker paint on it. You had to put a lot more paint on the tractor, and we had issues with it getting a good gloss to it, and it took a lot of time, but I finally got it figured out, and the tractor looks nice. The third problem that I had with it would probably be going back through the PTO and the amplitorque in the tractor. It all has brass clutches, and you can't get brass clutches new anymore, so I had to go back through and basically measure everything and take two tractors and find enough good parts to make one tractor out of.
It's been bombing its Indian plains, swimming in the sacred waters of Barton Springs. It's body surfing the Frio. It's Saturday night in Del Rio. It's crossing over the border for some cultural exchange. It's another burrito. It's a cold Lone Star in my hand. It's a quarter for the jukebox boys, play the sons of the mother-loving clubhouse band.
I learned more on this tractor than any other tractor because of the problems that I faced. With a lot of hard work and dedication, I was able to fix the problems, and I ended up with a great tractor. I think that this is what will happen in our country. With a lot of hard work, we can learn from each other, and together, we can overcome any obstacle that we face.